right? Let's begin. I want someone to read out loud with passion this preamble. Let's begin, somebody. Go ahead and read.
We the people of the United States.
Pause right there. You don't have to read in my classroom, right? As intellectuals, as historians, right, you must take your time and break this down step by step to bring it home for you all. The word we. So last year in September, I covered a very powerful lesson on beginning stuff about point of view. I covered that last year. Y'all forgot about it, right?
Yeah.
What is we? First, second, or third person? What? No, it's not. It is first person. It's a plural. I'm sorry, I heard third. My bad. It's a first person plural pronoun. We is first person. But we have what kind of effect though?
Everyone.
What point of view though?
First person.
Second person effect. You means you're in the story, right? He said we the people. Including who? Who was we? Everybody. Let's pause right there. This powerful stuff in your nation, right? You're part of. Going way back to 1776. Called, what is it called? Declaration of Independence, whatever, Declaration of something. Independence, right?
Yeah.
And that said, in that document there, it said, all men, all what?
Men.
All men. You're going from all men, now you're going to we. What the happened? What happened in ideology where you're going from men to now we're talking about we? Your nation, right? You're part of this nation. I am teaching good today. Evan's a teacher, y'all. Know my stuff. We the people. It is a first person pronoun, a second person effect. I like that.